So to finish up, I want to actually announce something. Altair has made a recent acquisition. Actually, we just closed it on Friday, so we get a chance to announce it here. And I call it the simulation revolution because I really think it has the possibility to change a lot of what we do. We're all very excited about it. We were skeptical in the beginning. We created a video that I'm going to show you in a minute here. Very quickly made the video. It's mostly interviews of I think, people who have a lot of credibility because the technology is, it's, and I think I say it in the video, it's almost magical. We put it through its paces for months because we just didn't think it could work that well. So SIMSOLID works on full fidelity CAD assemblies to provide fast, accurate, and robust structural simulation without requiring geometry simplification, cleanup, or meshing. So you import your CAD, very complex CAD, and basically run it. So here we go with the video.
We've been in the business for 30 years. We've seen a lot of technology come and go, and this stuff was for real.
The first impression was, it can't be true. Then, of course, I mean, we are curious minds. We're looking at stuff, and I think the technology is game-changing.
Well, the challenge has always been to put good simulation in the hands of the design engineers.
Analysis is time limited. If you want to impact design, you have to do it fast. The more you can predict performance and the earlier that you can do it, it makes a better design.
There's been a lot of attempts to create solutions, but there's usually some fatal compromise.
There's always this trade-off of depth versus speed. SIMSOLID is a structural analysis solution that works directly on CAD geometry and gives you design insight in seconds to minutes.
I was skeptical as I had seen a number of these technologies through the years, and most did not pan out. So I asked to have one of our top application engineers run SIMSOLID through some of the most challenging problems that we had and see how it did. The results were amazing, almost magical.
In current finite element approach, you're having to take that domain, that structure, and break it up into many, many, many small elements, which then are being knitted together mathematically. SIMSOLID is based on deep mathematical research that occurred over many years, even decades. It is creating a new mathematical framework that's quite sophisticated, and yet at the same time has been fully automated. So the user, the designer, doesn't see any of that sophistication. They just see the result. And I think this is an amazing development.
SIMSOLID is a finite element method, but it has different degrees of freedom. It can be volume, it can be face, it can be patch of mesh, it can be point cloud, line cloud, whatever you want. It's just a system of functional, which are, by analogy, 3 degrees of freedom per node in conventional FE. And that was a breakthrough point, because it allowed actually to go into assemblies, real assemblies.
It speeds up the design process, it makes it seamless, and it also provides the opportunity for engineers to use those sophisticated tools in early design process.
SIMSOLID does real-world problems. It's got full assembly capabilities, multiple parts, large ones, detailed contacts like weldments and bolted connections. Heck, you can even model the threads on the bolts, no problem.
Maybe in the old days, it would take 2 months to make a part like this. Today, it takes 2 days.
It's elegant, it's sophisticated, and yet it's easy and automated. And then this is a critical factor. It is fast.
SIMSOLID brings common engineering sense to analysis.
Design engineers will be even more productive with ultra-fast simulation speeds, which will enable even more design exploration.
You can change and analyze your design several times a day, so you can variate assemblies.
We're very excited for SIMSOLID to join the Altair family. We think it'll accelerate what we're doing, it'll broaden the scope, and allow us to reach many more people faster.
I think that simulation world is going to have lots of fun soon.
This is a once-in-30-year technology shift. It really has the potential to change the way simulation is done across the board.
So thank you very much. I think Altair is the right partner. We continue to invest. There's a lot of additional exciting things coming from us. We are working hard, doing lots of fun things. So thank you all very much.